behind me, we've got a Mark II Golf GTI 2-door. Started life as a 16 valve and now it's got 20 valve turbo installed in there. In the highly desired dark oak green as well. Now we took this job in December. We've had about 4 weeks or so now. It's a bit different to our normal bread and butter, but the customer coming to us wanting it put on air ride suspension. We're UK-based distributors and installers for Airlift Performance. So that's why he's come to us originally, and also he wanted an original BBS body kit painted and fitted as well. Now, like any job we take on, no matter how big or small, things soon start to spiral out of control, which it did with this one. Not a great deal, but it did. So Phil, the customer, his dream Golf is what you see behind us now. So he thought, while it was in with us, let's go all in, and he's gone for a set of genuine BBS Rs, staggered fitment, and a number of other tricks in there as well. So we've got original BBS steering wheel, it's got some nice new trim Recaros in there. But also we come across a lot of rust repairs that need tackling. And with throwing the spanner in the works, we've putting these ginormously wide wheels on there. So I think they're 9x16s on the back, so space is limited in the arches. So we've had to cut all the arches, tub them to fit the rear wheels as well, because we wanted it to air out as low as we could get. And as you can see behind me, you know, the final product looks sick. We've gone for Airlift Performance 3P management system on this, and we're also running the Airlift Slam Series front and rear struts. So that's specifically designed for this car, so it gives it its optimum ride. We've also done a battery relocation, so removed it from the under the bonnet and it's gone into the boot area now. Upgraded the battery as well to an Optima yellow top, just to help with the extra load from the compressor. Now this car's been built in mind that it's a driver's car. It's not a show pony or a trailer queen. But saying that, I think it'll stand tall at any car show. But we'll let you guys decide.